Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Christmas Gudetama. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off in the center and let's draw the bow. Let's draw a small curve, 2 lines down, and a curve at the bottom. Now from the top, let's bring it out on each side. Then a line down from each end. And bring it back in. Now for the bottom of the bow, let's draw a small angle on the bottom corners. Angle it down. And then back up to the center. And that's it for the bow. Now let's hop out and let's draw a bumpy line out on each side. Now underneath, let's draw a large curve down and bring it up to the other side. Now let's hop back up in the middle and let's draw a bumpy line out to the right side. And close it off at the end. Now for the left, let's draw a bumpy line going upwards, stopping here. Now at the end, let's draw his arm. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve down. Then let's curve it around and back up. And then let's add one more curve to close off the left side. Now let's continue drawing Gudetama on top. On the left, let's draw a curve up. And now let's draw a wavy line across and over for the bottom of the hat. And another wavy line to close it off on top. Now let's continue the body underneath on the right by drawing a curve down, stopping here. Now underneath, let's draw the other arm. Let's draw a curve in, curve it down on the right side, and another curve up and across at the bottom. Now at the end, let's draw the legs. Underneath the arm, let's draw a wavy line out. And curve it back in at the end. Now to draw the other leg, let's hop in and let's draw a wavy line across. And curve it down. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start by drawing the mustache by drawing a curve up near the top here. Now from the left, let's curve it down. And then back in underneath. Now for the right side, let's curve it up. And back in. Now top out and let's draw an oval next to the mustache on the right And then one more on the left side. And color both of the eyes in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's finish drawing the hat. Let's start on top on the right and let's draw a large curve over to the left, down and out like this. And then another curve underneath. Now at the end, let's draw a circle for the pom-pom. And that's it for Gudetama. Now let's move down and let's draw a pattern inside the bottom part. Let's start on the right and let's draw a cross shape. And then an X on top to form a snowflake. Now let's draw another one on the bottom here. A smaller one on the left. And one more on top. And lastly, let's add some small circles inside. And that's it for this Christmas Gudetama. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!